Hello everyone, welcome to Money Magic. Let's get started with short stock show. Today, the Indian market fell for the fourth consecutive day. The selling pressure was seen across the board, with 48 out of the Nifty 50 stocks entered in the red. All the Nifty sector indices declined today, with Nifty PSU banks down by 3.7% and Nifty Bank was down by 2.9%, being the top losers. Today, FII net buy was 2,625 crores and DII net sell was 562 crores. Today, 26% of the stock advanced, 68% declines, and 4.4% remains unchanged. So moving on to IPO's grey market premium. In the left hand side, you can see the grey market premium of yesterday, and on the right hand side, the bigger table is of the grey market premium of today. The East Metrip grey market premium is trending between 170 to 180. Anupam Rashan's grey market premium down to 20 points and trading between 130 to 140. And it would subscribe 44.06 times. Lakshmi Organics grey market premium down by 10 points and trading at 80 to 90, and it was subscribed 106 times. Craftsman IPO also down by 20 points and it is trading between 80 to 90, and it was subscribed 3.8 times only. Kalyan Jewelers grey market premium up by 1 points and it is trading between 8 to 9, and it is currently subscribed 1.21 times. Nazara Technology IPOs, which was listing today, its grey market premium is trading at 900 to 910 and it was subscribed 4.01 times on the first day. And Suryodaya Small Bank Finance grey market premium is trading between 25 to 30 and it was subscribed 0.4 times only. Now moving on to our first update, let's start with Kalyan Jewelers. Ahead of Kalyan Jewelers 1175 crores IPO, the jewelers retailer has raised 352 crores from 15 anchor investors, including the Government of Singapore and Monetary Authority of Singapore. The Singapore government has been allotted 29% shares in the anchor allotment, while the country's central bank has allotted 5.11%. In total, 4.04 crore shares were allotted. Glen Pharma will be making the Sputnik vaccines in India. It has signed a deal to make 252 million doses of the Russian vaccines. Other Indian companies that also working on the vaccines are Hetero and Dr. Reddy Labs. Karur Vyasa Bank's promoter S. Nirvana pledged 40,000 shares of the company on 12 March 2021 with Bajaj Finserv. RBI imposes a penalty of 2 crores on State Banks of India for not complying with regulator regarding the remuneration payment to its employment through commission. Carlyle Group's a US-based private equity firm will sell 3,730 crores worth stakes in the State Banks of India cards through a block deal, according to a news report. Carlyle held a 15.86% stake in the State Bank of India cards as of December 31, 2020. Promoter of the mining major Vedanta has placed their entire stakes around 55% of the company in a bid to raise funds. The fund raised will be used to acquire shares of Vedanta and also repay debt to others promoter company. Shares of state-run Bharti Petroleum Corporations on Wednesday closed 5% lower to 430 apiece after its second dividend of financial year 21 fell short of investor expectation. The oil refiner board at the meetings declared an interim dividend of 5 rupees per share. Equity's face value is 10 rupees each for financial year 21 as per the company exchange filing. Now moving to our last update, Adani Birla Capital shares jumped to higher in over 2 years after the company board gave in principle approval to explore the listing of its assets management business. As of December 2020, Adani Birla Sons Life has an average assets under management of 2.55 lakh crores. It is in India's fourth largest fund house as per the Association of Mutual Funds in India. Thank you for today's video. Stay tuned.